So in our basics of bridging, as part of our series of Bridging 101, something else we're going to discuss with you is bridging suitable for new investors, for those who are getting into investment for the first time? Well, we've got plenty of case studies of people that have done their very first property deal, so I don't mean their own residential home, but their very first property deal on a bridging loan, and they've had great success from doing so. As long as the deal stacks, you've got the right power team around you, you most certainly can use the bridging loan for your very first deal. In fact, just recently, one of my colleagues here at Harvey Bowes arranged a bridging loan for the purchase of a 6-bed HMO for somebody that didn't own any property in the UK at all, including their own home. So we arranged that on a bridging loan. They're going to sit on the bridging loan for 7 months, and then after that time they will qualify for a standard term loan because their circumstances will change and they've got that little bit of experience, and they will then refinance that onto a regular term loan. So the bridging loan was a good way of allowing that individual, that investor, to get started even though they didn't own any property at all, including their own home. Now they're started and they didn't have to go through the sort of burden of having a lower yielding buy-to-let, single-let type property at the beginning, or they didn't have to wait until they'd owned their own home at the beginning. And so it allowed that investor to jump straight into the strategy that they want to do on day one. And it's great that that was a very successful deal.